Hello everyone, my name is Julian. I am project manager and data analyst over at QADigitalads.com. If you're watching this video, it is likely that you have visited a website with a pop-up message warning you that it's not safe. Or maybe you're wondering if your own website is safe. There are many ways to make a website more secure, and if you're wondering how you could do that, this video can help you. The first step is to install an SSL certificate. This will allow you to update your URL from HTTP to HTTPS. S for secure. Once a website has this certificate, it will no longer display a warning message to users. Now, if you're wondering what HTTPS means, essentially it's a communication system that your website uses to communicate with a user using encrypted messages. This system not only protects users' data and credentials, but it also makes it easier for Google to promote your website because it's more secure. All of this equates to you having a higher ranking in search engines. Also, just ask yourself, if you were to buy one product from two different websites and one of them showed a warning message saying it's not secure, which one are you going to buy from? Back to the topic. There are many ways to install an SSL certificate, and you could learn how to find out how to do that online. However, if you don't invest the time to really learn it, you might miss a step, which could be problematic in the future. Either way, there are a lot of resources, videos, blogs, what have you on the internet that can help you install the certificate. But if you want a professional to do it, you can give us a call at 240-338-8056. We can also help you create a website or a Google campaign. To find out more about our services, you can head over to QADigitalads.com or call us and the number on screen. You could also visit our blog, which covers a lot of different topics like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.